Welcome back to ScilishLearnLab. Today, we're breaking down one of the most important topics in biology, the difference between DNA and RNA. To make it super easy, we'll compare them side by side using visuals, animations, and clear examples. Let's begin. On the left, we have DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, the master blueprint of life. On the right, RNA, ribonucleic acid, the messenger that reads DNA's instructions and helps build proteins. DNA is double-stranded, forming the iconic double helix structure. RNA, on the other hand, is single-stranded and flexible. This difference gives DNA its stability and gives RNA the ability to fold into different shapes. Sugar molecule. In DNA, the sugar is deoxyribose, which lacks one oxygen atom. This missing oxygen makes DNA more stable. RNA contains ribose, which has one extra oxygen atom, making it slightly less stable but more reactive. Nitrogenous bases. DNA uses 4 bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. A, T, C, and G. RNA also uses A, C, and G, but replaces thymine, T, with uracil, U. Base pairing. In DNA, bases pair in a rigorous way, A with T, and C with G, but RNA doesn't follow strict pairing because it's single-stranded. It can fold onto itself and form temporary loops or hairpin structures. Location in cell. DNA stays mostly inside the nucleus, with a small amount found in mitochondria. RNA is found in both the nucleus and the cytoplasm because it must carry messages to the ribosomes. Function. DNA stores all the genetic information of an organism. Think of DNA as a permanent instruction manual. RNA's function is to transfer these instructions so the cell can build proteins. It acts like a fast-moving messenger. Stability. DNA is extremely stable and can last the entire lifetime of a cell, sometimes even thousands of years. RNA is less stable and breaks down after use. This makes sense. DNA is permanent, RNA is temporary. Length or size. DNA molecules are very long, carrying the entire genome. RNA molecules are short, carrying only one specific gene's message. Replication. DNA can replicate itself during cell division, ensuring every new cell receives a full copy. RNA does not replicate. Instead, it is made directly from DNA through a process called transcription. Role in protein synthesis. DNA has an indirect role, it provides the instructions. RNA has a direct role, it carries the instructions to ribosomes, helps build proteins, and ensures everything happens in the correct order. Types or varieties. DNA has only one major type, but RNA has many forms. The 3 main ones are mRNA, messenger RNA, tRNA, transfer RNA, rRNA, ribosomal RNA. There are also snRNA, mRNA, and more, each with specialized roles. Fun facts. A single human DNA molecule contains enough information to fill more than 1,000 books. And RNA viruses can copy themselves extremely fast, that's why some viruses spread so quickly. So that's the complete and clear difference between DNA and RNA, the permanent blueprint versus the temporary messenger. If you learned something new today, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to ScilishLearnLab for more simple, smart science videos.